How to backup and restore GPU preferences for apps in Windows 10. Windows lets you decide which GPU your apps should use, but what if you reinstall Windows or move to a new device? You'll want those GPU settings to come with you. In this video, we'll show you how to backup and restore GPU preferences for apps in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. GPU preferences are stored in the Windows registry and control how applications access graphics resources on systems with multiple GPUs, like Intel plus NVIDIA combinations. Backing up these preferences ensures you don't lose performance settings during system migrations, reinstalls, or when managing multiple endpoints. There are two main ways to back up your GPU preferences, using the Registry Editor or the command line. Let's start with the Registry Editor method. Open the Registry Editor by pressing Windows plus R, typing regedit, and hitting Enter. Navigate to H-key, Current, User, Software, Microsoft, DirectX, User GPU Preferences. Right-click on User GPU Preferences, select Export, and save the .reg file somewhere safe. On the other hand, this is how you do it with command line. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run this command. This saves your GPU preferences directly to a file. Now, restoring the preferences is just as simple. To do it with the Registry Editor, double-click the saved .reg file, accept the UAC prompt, and confirm the registry merge. On the other hand, to use the command line to restore your preferences, run Command Prompt as Administrator and enter. However, remember that this only works if the app paths match between systems. Ensure installation directories are identical to maintain preference integrity. GPU preferences are stored as string entries in the registry. Each entry maps an app path to a setting. Admins can automate this process using PowerShell or batch scripts with reg.exe, making it ideal for login scripts, GPO scheduled tasks, or SCCM task sequences. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to backup and restore GPU preferences for apps in Windows 10, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.